Hey everyone, good evening. It's Shannon. I'm still feeling kind of cruddy, caught a stomach bug, so not feeling the best right now. But I wanted to get the information out about my upcoming Mystery Quilt-Along. Wanted to let everybody know that one, I'm having a Mystery Quilt-Along. Sign-ups actually start July 1st, which as of this recording is tomorrow, but when you'll probably see it is today. Sign up start July 1st, but the quilt along actually starts August 1st, and you will be getting a 4-part mystery quilt along. The first part will be August 1st, will be the fabric requirements and fabric prep and like a welcome and all that kind of stuff. And then, the bits of the quilt will come after. It is going to be a quilt. It is an FPP project for this quilt. And it is going to be a lot of fun. I'm very excited about it. You're going to get not only the bits and pieces, the pattern and everything, but you'll get access to a members only website where instructional videos will be available. You will get a Facebook group, a private Facebook group, where we can share all of our pictures and ask any questions, give any suggestions, and just come together as the community of Mystery Quilt-Along quilters. And yeah, I'm really excited about kicking this off and getting to work with everybody. In this little video, you'll see some images of some of the fabric colors that I'm using to give you all an idea. That first email that will go out with the fabric requirements will show, and that first video will show exactly what fabrics I'm using, and the amounts and everything. So you'll get an even bigger look at what I've decided to work with, and we'll give you that week to kind of pull from your own stash. Totally doable to pull from your own stash, or head to your local quilt store and pick up your own fabrics for it. So I hope that you all are as excited as I am, and sign-ups are, again, at my website, which is www.slayarts.com. And yeah, I look forward to working with everybody. So again, sign-ups start July 1st, and they go all the way through the month of August. And the first email will go out August 1st. Everybody will receive the email with information on how to get into the Facebook group and how to get into the members only website for the videos on August 1st with that first email. Kind of all of the instructional bits and everything will be in that first email. And then you'll receive another email every Thursday at 8 a.m. all the way through till the end of the month. And then on the 31st, on August 31st, will be the final video, the final reveal of the quilt all put together. I will have it all, the quilt top all put together, and I may even, depending on how good I am, I'm a horrible finisher, but hopefully I will even have it quilted, because I have an idea already of what I want the backing to be. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. I may even have it quilted and bound for you guys by the end. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and I'm really looking forward to working with everybody and seeing the color palettes you all choose, because I am always so impressed with all of the colors that everybody chooses with all of the projects that we've done up to this point. I'm really excited to see what you guys decide to use and go with in this mystery where you're not entirely sure what you're going to be doing, but I hope you get some ideas from the color choices that I'm using. And yeah, it's just going to be a ton of fun. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm excited that you are going to be a part of it with me. So until August 1st, I wish you all a very safe week, and I will see you all again soon here on YouTube. Thanks, everybody.